This is all setting parameters. This is for closing, auto closing time adjust, and this is for force. So second one in a BFT gate motor, and this one is for slow closing and slow opening. Now I'm going to memorize. I have to hold this switch, and it will be memorized here. Then we go for a programming now. So the switch 3 I will press and hold down for a while. There will be a flash coming light, and then I will leave the button and start. And this is now learning. The learning is started now. So the gate will be open full. You should close the gate before starting the programming. So gate should be closed. Now the gate will open full, and until I'll wait. I have to wait the gate will be open fully, and then again press the switch number 3 to start the gate closing. So this is only the programming learning process for BFT gate motor. Once it closes fully, the program will be complete. Okay, it's done now. So this is the programming is complete in the BFT sliding gate motor. Thanks for watching.